Just went to hook up the camper and realized the hitch ball's loose, which is no good. Tightened it up with a pipe wrench, but talked to my mechanic. He said just bring it in and we'll tighten it up because we don't want that falling off while you're going down the road. So supposed to be leaving in an hour. Instead I'm headed to my mechanic. That's always fun. Well, we just had the longest setup to date.
For a pull-through site.
For a pull-through site. Those are supposed to be just straight in.
Straight in, and you're
level up, and that's it.
You're done. This was a nightmare. This was a nightmare.
There's a hill on the back, there's a hill on the front, so we had to keep adjusting to try to get the camper in the middle of the hill, but then we had trouble getting off the hitch because the camper was tilted down and the truck was tilted up, so it was really hooked. The neighbor was nice enough to come help us, but what a nightmare. We're at Panama Rocks up in New York, just a little, it's either in Chautauqua or just outside of Chautauqua.
Yeah, Mayville I think is the actual city, but it's real close to Chautauqua. We're staying at a campground about 30 minutes from here. Wasn't too bad of a drive. I found this through the KOA site. They always list local things to do near your campsite, and I found this. It wasn't free. It was about $17.95 for the two of us. They also have axe throwing here that you can book a time and do that as well. We did not do that, but...
No, this was cool. There's a main trail you can do, but they say right out the gate that if you do that trail, you're probably missing most of the good things here. The good things being finding every nook and cranny you can crawl into.
Get lost in the rocks.
Lots of tight squeezes, lots of steep climbs. Even though it might not look that way in the video, some of those things were rather steep. So if you've got any disabilities or maybe just aren't sure of yourself, it could be a little dangerous for you. But there's still a thing you can go around the outside and see everything.
So at least see the outsides of it if you don't want to go actually inside the crevices.
Some of the caves you can peek your head into and stuff, but very cool. Definitely worth doing.
It was,
It's worth doing if you're going to go climb through all the caves. If you're just going to walk around the loop, I'd probably save your money and
not worth it.
Go grab a drink down by the water.
Yeah. But
what are you doing now?
Drink by the water.
Drink by the water.